What's up guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Like always, I'm your favorite Liberian boy, and today we're gonna be having a drinking challenge. Whoever spills the water drinks a cup of whiskey. Actually not a whole cup, but you see the measurement. I got Napoleon on the other side, one of the participants. I've got Ruby, aka Queen Sheba, in this place. The Sheba team, you know, and then I got one more participant on his way, you know. It's gonna be fun. Or better yet, hilarious. So stay tuned. By the way, Queen Sheba over here don't drink whiskey, so she's actually sacrificing, you know, for my subscribers. So you guys, comment down in the comment section. Tell her thank you, please. Yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. So what's up?
What's up? What's up?
Really?
What's up?
Really?
What's up?
Anyway, guys, this is the cup, and we're gonna stop the whiskey right around here. Yeah, we'll stop it right around here, and loser drink all of that whiskey. So guys, we had a change of mind. We're gonna be using the wine glass, and we're gonna be using this cup for the water. The water. All right. So what level of whiskey do you think we should put in it? That level?
Fill this motherfucker up. Where's the whiskey?
There we go. Take one bottle. Whiskey.
Those are you who are not from Liberia?
There is napkin. Yeah. You were saying.
For those of you who are not from Liberia, this shit is literally called The Godfather.
Alright.
It's literally called The Godfather.
The Godfather.
If you know anything about The Godfather, you know what Godfathers do. They spoil their God kids. That's what Godfathers do. And this shit definitely spoils.
That's how much you want the person to drink?
Yep, let's stop it there.
Oh my God. Guys.
It's a challenge, right?
Yeah, it is a challenge. Look at this. Alright. Spoiler alert, I am not going to participate in this game because I can't drink. I won't drink. But whosoever that is drinking, good luck. This is the last participant that is going to be taking part, aka Mr. TOZ. Say what's up.
I'm frail.
Okay, I know you Fred. All right, so we got water under there, right under there. Yeah, in the thingy.
Rubies!
Really?
Make it three.
He's saying all this because he's not drinking.
Hey, Kilopatra, what's up? Welcome back to the Land of the Living. They say ladies have the soft touch. Yes. What? Soft touch? That's it. Those. Wow. Look at her, guys. How are you pouring big drops and it's not spilling? What? Okay. Nothing. Let's go. Next person.
The water's actually hanging. I can see the water hanging over the cup.
Yo.
Somebody gonna get it.
Yeah.
Hey.
Wait. No, and spill.
The man with the big drops.
Dun, 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 dun.
I gotta drink all this.
Yeah, whiskey, bro.
Alright.
You drinking water?
Like and subscribe. Seriously, like and subscribe.
Thank you.
Can we drink?
It's not apple juice.
Apple juice, huh?
It's Godfather.
How was it though?
Very, very strong. Tastes like something they call alcohol.
Oh, damn. All right, thanks. So guys, if you're new to this channel is all about African artistry and culture from a Liberian point of view. And like always, I'm your favorite Liberian boy. Like and subscribe to this video and become a part of this great community we are growing here. Until next time, peace. That was the chicken. Did you hear that?